And hello, welcome YouTube. So yeah, going on with the converting of dwsim libraries. I just began the XML part. Okay, if you look at this, this dependency map is very messy. It's not the best way of doing dependency mapping, but I began the XML part. Okay, you can see here there will be some XML readers that are supposed to read the XML libraries and extract all the desired properties. So yeah, I did some work behind the scenes, and so I did a very I kind of published a nuget package, which is supposed to be this XML reader, and it makes this XML library available to anyone who wants to use it. Okay, it's in Net Standard 2.0, meaning to say it is usable both by .NET Framework and .NET Core, so that's good. Okay, source code is right here. dwsim.net core libraries, net core dwsim libraries. I am still constructing this, and I will pack it into, of course, I'm packing it into the a nuget package. Alright, and then I'm loading it here. Alright, so in the next few videos, I will show you the principles which I used to design this, and how I'm implementing the solid principles I was talking about before, as I bring things from dwsim over. As you can see, I obviously copied the dwsim thermodynamics library here, and you see this dwsim XML. This is very important because it contains all the data. If you take a look, all of this is XML data. It needs to first be imported. So yeah, I'll show you how I plan the interfaces for of course documenting it down, and of course making it easy for me to see how each class relates to one another. Okay, and we'll talk about testing as well, because I got to make sure this code works on its own the way it's intended to before I move on to other parts as well. Okay, and of course in coming videos I want to show you how a nuget package can be done properly. Okay, and what were the considerations of doing things certain ways in order to make it available for nuget package, because things like XML files don't really carry over well into the nuget package. So there was a workaround I needed to do. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna end this video. So I want to show you how how I actually do my mapping a little bit more properly, how in the next video, and how this mind mapping process actually helps me implement the solid principles well. Okay, yeah, so we'll go into that in the next video, and I'll see you next time.